Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Bassie from Dandy's World, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with her eyes. Stepping over from the center, on the left hand side, let's draw in a nice big oval. And now let's leave a gap coming across on the right hand side, and we're just going to draw that at the same size. Now that we've drawn in both of the eyes, we're going to come in and draw in the pupils. So closer towards the inside, we're going to draw in another oval right in the middle. And then we're just going to flip across and do the same thing on the right hand side as well. And then now we're just going to come in and color in our pupils black. Now let's come in and close off the eyelashes. So coming underneath, we're going to draw these on a slight diagonal. So over from the center on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a small diagonal line coming out. We're going to do the same thing, mirroring that on the right-hand side. Let's come over again. We're going to step up, replicating that, drawing in our second eyelash. Let's come in for the mouth, right in the middle here, stepping down. We're going to curve this line up and across on both sides from that center point there. And now let's draw in her head. So we're going to start on the left hand side here past our eye, and we're just going to draw in a straight line all the way across, extending that past the right eye, evening that out. Let's close off the side of the head. Starting from that corner, we're going to arch this line around, and we're going to bring that all the way through, flattening that out as we come in on the bottom. And then moving across on the right hand side, let's replicate that. And we're going to blend that back in together in the middle. Let's come over on the left hand side. We're going to curve this line around, bringing that up on the side. And then we're going to flip over on the right hand side, replicating that. Let's move in towards the middle. We're going to replicate that, making that smaller. So from the side of the head again, curving this around, back up. And then flipping over on the right, finishing that off. Let's move up above now. We're going to draw in some of the flowers and the petals here. So on the left-hand side from the corner, we're going to curve this around and down. Starting back on that line, we're going to curve this up and across on the right-hand side. From the inside corner again, just curving this around and through towards the top of the head. We're going to draw in a small petal on the side here. So we're just going to curve this across. From our point now, we're just going to arch this down again towards the top of the head. Let's move in behind, add some small details. So on the left, curving this over and down towards that petal. Now from the middle here, we're going to curve two lines, arching those out, drawing those at roughly the same size. Now from here, from this point, we're going to curve this around and down, connecting that together. Let's move across now. On the right-hand side, curving this over and through. Let's move up from that corner, arching this around and down. And then again from the middle here, just curving this over and down towards the bottom. Let's step up. We're going to draw in a small petal here. So on the right-hand side, we're just going to curve this in towards a point. And then starting back from that point, again, we're just going to curve this back down and through towards the bottom. Let's move up. We're going to arch this line around and down. Now from here, we're going to curve this back around and through towards the side. And then again from that corner, we're going to arch this around and back down. Now from the side, right from the edge here, we're just going to arch this around and back in. Now let's come up and add in a small petal. So we're just going to curve this line out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back around and in on the side. Let's come down from the body now. So right in the middle on the neck, we're just going to curve this line in, arching that around and up on the right. Let's come across for the body, stepping over on both sides. We're going to curve that line out. We're just going to end that at the exact same height. Let's close that off on the bottom with a curved line. We'll draw out our arms first before we come down. So on the left-hand side on the top, we're going to bring our diagonal line out. We're going to start on the bottom, replicating that again. We're just going to end that at the same height as our line on the top. Let's finish drawing in the rest of the hand. From that corner, we're going to curve this around, back up. And then from that corner again, curving this around and back down towards the top. Come down and draw in the petal dress or skirt here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and in towards the middle. And then again, from that point, we're just going to arch this back around and up, ending that at the exact same height. Let's step over. On the left and right-hand side, we're going to curve this line across. And now from that point, we're going to dip this line in, out, and then back through towards that corner on the top. And now lastly, we just have to draw her legs. So stepping over from this point here, we're going to come across on both sides, drawing in a small straight line coming down. We're just going to end those at the same height. Now for the feet, we're going to step across, curving this around and then back in. And then from that corner, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes up towards the skirt. Now we're going to draw in some of the details. So right on the side here, we're going to curve this line down. And we're going to step up, leaving a small gap, curving that around and in towards that corner. Let's move up now. We're going to continue to close off the stripe. So from that corner, we're just going to curve this line over towards the inside. We're going to try our best to line these up at the same height. And then we're going to move up again, leaving an even amount of space. And again, we're just going to curve this line over and across. And then again, curving that over towards the side. And now we're just going to come up one last time beside the skirt here. If we have some free space there, closing that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Bassie from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.